नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग जो वर्कआउट करेंगे, लेट्स डू समथिंग डिफरेंट। कोई एक ही घिसा पिटा वो वेट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। आज मैं सोचा दूसरा वर्कआउट क्या रहेगा। आज का वर्कआउट रहेगा मेरा इसमें कार्डियो के साथ स्ट्रेंथ के साथ कोर, क्योंकि काफ़ी पेट हमारा जो भी खाते हैं पेट में चलता है। तो लेट्स कम डू टुडे समथिंग डिफरेंट वर्कआउट, cardio, strength and core. I will not take longer time here, maybe 10 minutes max. Please do, it's required only space, you can do anywhere. So cardio, just now I have completed first round. We will do 3 rounds of them. So jumping jack will be the 40-second, push up for 15 count, and holding of the core that will be 30 seconds. ये एक राउंड में कंप्लीट करना है। कंप्लीट करने के बाद 1 minute रेस्ट करना है। आफ्टर 1 minute we will start another round. Hope you are liking today's session. So let's start with another workout. So next workout going to be the baby walk with jump followed by another core workout. So let's start. Let's begin. Let's do it for 30 seconds. Hold, control and go back. Hold, control, go back. Yes, you are at right track. Follow the step, get the result. Come on, 5 more. 1. Hold, control, go back. So I hope you are enjoying today's session. So we are almost part of our ending session today. So last workout going to be high knees. Let me show you. So last workout, we are almost end of our workout of cardio and strength, where we do push-ups, squat, everything at core as well. So last workout going to be tap the butt. Let me show you. Last workout going to be tap the butt. Let me show you how to do it. Be like mountain posture. Tap, tap. Throughout the workout, hold the posture, feel the core always should to be involved. Do not do any jerk. Do not give any jerk. Feel the burning of the muscle. Feel the burning. When you do this workout, believe me, it is really good. Last why I kept this workout is required lots of strength, because it will help you to burn lots of calories. Reverse crunch, the crunches, feel the effect on your lower abdominal. Just raise your leg towards the ceiling level. Do this at least 10 to 15 to get maximum result. Do cool down workout. Cool down is mandatory, very mandatory, because आप जितना वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं उतना ही आपको प्रायोरिटी देना है कूल डाउन में. If you don't give priority to the cool down, you might get cramp, muscle pull. There is chances to get injured yourself. So let's do some cool down. Don't move your body too much. It will not require long time. Hamstring, shoulder, relax. Feel the stretch on your hamstring. Yeah. Hold the posture for 15 seconds. Do a little bit quadriceps stretch. Finish the workout always with a smiling face, because you are coming to the gym to get something, to get results. Don't feel like you are too much in pain. Feel the stretch on your quadriceps muscle. This is the muscle we call quad. Last, with calf and hamstring. Same thing with other leg. Hope today's session you will like it. If you like my channel, please like it, subscribe and follow with your friends and family. See you at next video. Thank you so much.